And the drama continues to play out in a Boston federal court this coming week as prosecutors lay out their case for the death penalty against Dzhokhar Tsarnaev. Joining us now for insight and analysis, criminal defense attorney Philip Holloway and former prosecutor Peter Odom. Points out here the defense has essentially said, yes, it's him, but they didn't plead guilty. What is the defense strategy behind that? It almost harkens back to Clarence Darrow days.
You took the words right out of my mouth. It does. I think she's channeling Clarence Darrow, except in the Leopold and Loeb cases in Chicago, he actually entered a guilty plea. In this case, Leland, they did not enter a guilty plea. What she's doing is she's allowing this jury to have the satisfaction, if you will, of finding him guilty, not once, not twice, but writing the word guilty on the verdict form 30 times, so that when it comes time to ask to the jury to spare his life, she has some credibility left with them, and she just might succeed.
Phil, you agree, or is there something else that the defense attorneys have up their sleeve?
Well, everybody knows he's guilty as homemade sin, so I agree with Peter. All that stuff is true. You know, juries like to hear the defense accept responsibility. In federal cases, statistics have shown that when you take the death penalty, for example, in federal court, only about a third of the time since the 80s, I think, do juries actually impose the death penalty in these federal cases. Now, this, of course, is not your ordinary case, as we all know, but statistically speaking, I think she may have a chance here.
Holloway, Peter Odom, appreciate both of you being here with us today and your analysis. Obviously, this trial will go on for a long time. We'll hear back from you, gentlemen, shortly. Thank you.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Thanks, Leland.
Nice
Good
to
day.
see you. And we